Hi and welcome to my channel, Violet Connie Art. Today I have for you another Scrawlrbox Challenge. This is actually a previous box that I ordered, so I knew what was in this one. And it had the chameleon markers in it with the colour tops. I really wanted to try these out and I was so excited. But as you'll see in the video, I struggled with them a lot. I wasn't comfortable using them and I'm not going to be using them again. So I was quite disappointed. They're lovely alcohol markers, but the fiddliness with putting the tops on and changing the colors is just really annoying. I found it to be annoying. My son, on the other hand, he absolutely loved it and he features in this video again, but he actually has a time lapse of his creation as well in this video. So if you hang around till after my time lapse, you'll actually see his Scrawler challenge of Maximum Carnage, which was the one in this box. The artist featured here is Benjamin Davis, and oh my gosh, that piece of artwork is just purely amazing. It has so much power behind it, and I really, really like it. And my son thought it was awesome as well. So there's a quick rundown of what is in this box, the chameleon markers and some marker paper. I actually didn't film the swatching, so I just showed the card there, because initially when I got this box I really struggled with just even playing around with them, and I just thought I'm not going to upload this video, so I lost that footage. Anyway, so I started by just sketching the image out, and my idea for Maximum Carnage was forest being cut down. I did my best. There's no greens or anything in there. It's not, I'm not super proud of it, but I'm not completely unhappy with it. It is what it is, and I like some of the tones that went from light to dark, but I think a lot of my struggle was with the swapping of the tops, and it's just not my thing, and so I found it not to be an enjoyable process for this one. But my son really enjoyed it, so I'm going to put some music on for a bit and you can watch the rest of this in time lapse, and I'll be back with you when my son's comes on. my son's drawing and what he depicted as maximum carnage. When I asked him why he drew this, he's like, I don't know, I just felt like it. So he drew a little guy, as you can see, holding a knife, and I'm pretty proud of what he's done. His drawing has come in a long way across the years, and I'll leave you back to the music to enjoy the time lapse of my son's creation. He's very proud to be able to put this on to the video, so enjoy. So here's my son's final artwork, and then here is our artwork side by side. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.